Yay. I'm doing like an RC clip. This is Glenn. He's amazing. He's a senior in our club. And this is one of his beautiful collection planes. What kind of plane is this, Glenn?
This is called an invitation.
Ooh.
Invitation, as it says, is a competition plane designed to do exactly that, to execute a predetermined set of maneuvers precisely as possible in front of judges, which are
Awesome.
scored and compared to other flyers. It's
Awesome.
called competition.
Competition.
It's a great flying plane if I let it. That's the question right there.
Yes.
I'm getting ready here. Trying to.
It is humongous if you guys haven't noticed. It's big. Very big. And he has to put the wings on when he gets here.
Yeah, little things like that. Okay.